morning, dear friends. Here's yours, Dr. Rajanta. Welcome to Demystify with Ajay. In today's episode of One Concept, 2 minutes, we are diving deep into early stopping. I once visited a pottery studio and watched a master potter at work. His hands building soft clay spinning on the wheel. The shapes started rough, then slowly transformed. A bowl, a vase, something elegant. I asked him, how do you know when to stop shaping it? He gave us a gentle smile and said, that's the art. If you keep spinning after the form is ready, the clay weakens, collapses. You lose everything chasing perfection. That moment struck me. The wisdom was not just about pottery. It's the essence of early stopping in machine learning. Dear friends, early stopping is a regularization technique used to prevent overfitting during training. During training, the model improves its performance on the training set. But after a point, it starts memorizing rather than generalizing. So the validation error begins to rise. Early stopping monitors performance on a validation set and stops training once the model stops improving, even if the full training epochs are not completed. It's like a checkpoint system. Watch the validation loss. If it doesn't improve for a certain number of rounds, that is called patiency, training halts. So this keeps the model from overlearning noise in the data. And dear friends, sometimes knowing when to stop is wiser than pushing further. So in learning as a life, perfection is not about doing more. It's about knowing when enough is just right. So thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more quick and clear lesson on AI and machine learning. See you in the next one, dear friends.